Hello guys, in this video I will be demonstrating you the interfacing of a 3 by 5 LED matrix with an Arduino R3 board. This is the hardware of the project. This 3 by 5 LED matrix consists of 15 green LEDs. The cathodes of all these LEDs are commonly grounded and the anodes of these LEDs are individually connected to the output pins on this Arduino Uno board. On this Arduino board, we have total of 20 output pins, out of which 6 are analog and remaining 14 are digital output pins. On properly programming this Arduino board, we can display any character from A to Z or any number from 0 to 9 on this 3 by 5 LED matrix. Now, for getting a easy understanding of the hardware, let us have a view at the schematic and the breadboard view of the project. This is the breadboard view of the project. As we can clearly see, these are the 15 green LEDs we were talking about, and here the cathodes of all the LEDs are commonly grounded to the ground pin of the Arduino board. But here we see that they are not directly grounded, but there is a resistance in their path. The current output of an Arduino board is somewhat higher than what this diode LED can withstand. To protect this LED from higher currents, we generally used current limiting resistors. Here I have used resistors of 330 ohms. And all these cathodes are commonly grounded, as we can clearly see here, by passing through a resistor. And the anodes of all these green LEDs are connected to the output pins of the Arduino board. We can choose the output pins as per our requirement, and while coding we can choose the pins as per our convenience. Now let's have a look at the schematic diagram. This is the schematic view of the project. Here we see that these 15 LEDs are connected to the 15 outputs of this Arduino Uno board. The LEDs are connected to the resistances of 330 ohms, which are connected to the ground terminal. These grounds in all these LEDs can be taken as the single ground terminal present on the Arduino board. After powering on this Arduino board, we need to upload a code on this Arduino board. It has to be programmed in such a way that which LED has to glow when. That we can understand when we see it in the code. So to understand now how characters are displayed on the LED matrix, which is this module, let us have a look at the code of this 3 by 5 LED matrix. This is the code for our matrix. At the beginning of the code, we have initialized an array of values of ones and zeros. In this, we will give the values of all the characters and numbers which we have to display on the LED matrix. To display 0, we have to provide these corresponding values to the 15 LEDs in the LED matrix. The LEDs which correspond to signal level of 1 will be in on state, and the one with 0 will be in off state. Based on that, all the characters have been
return similarly. Now, after initializing the array, we will now initialize the pins which we will be connecting to the LEDs. Here we have connected pin 14 to the LED 0 and the pin 5 to LED 1 and so on. And here we will write the string which we have to display on the LED matrix. In the strings we can write 0 to 9, small a to small z and capital A to capital Z. Showing between these characters and numbers, we will be assigning a delay of 1 millisecond. Now this statement is for giving that delay. Now we will initialize a font array index which we will use to check which character or number is being displayed. Now here our main function begins, setup. In setup we declare all the 15 LED pins which we are using as output pins. And now this setup runs only once. Now we will write a loop which will keep on running forever. In this we have seen that we will be displaying characters, numbers, and in characters we will be displaying both capital and small. The ASCII code of these characters and numbers will be taken and will be manipulated in such a way that this font array index will be giving us the value. This font array index will give us the value of which character or number corresponding to that given index is. Now if the ASCII code of 0 is 48, 9 is 57, A is 65, Z is 90, small a is 97 and small z is 122. Now if the string value which is provided by us is greater than 47 and less than 58, then the font array index will subtract a value of 48 from it. As 0 is 48, when the value of 0 comes here, 48 minus 48 will become 0 and the 0th element will be selected, and here the 0th element is 0 in the font1 in array. Similarly, now let us check for the second case. Else if your string I is greater than 64. Greater than 64 means let us assume 65. 65 is capital A and it is less than 91. Now if your string value is 65, then we have to subtract a value of 55, because here capital A is the 10th value which we have described in this font1 array, and similarly we will be writing for A to Z, and similarly for small a to small z we will be subtracting a value of 87 from the your string I. After doing this, we will be getting the value of corresponding character or number in the value of this font array index. Then by using that font array index and the LED number is nothing but all this, each individual bit is an LED number which are connected to the 3x5 LED matrix. These LED numbers and this font array index combinedly will be giving us the entire value of the all 15 LEDs at one screenshot. This will be digitally written on the pins of the LED number. This LED number will be from 0 and it will less than 15. Here we will write the data on given pin number from pins one by one. Now after writing it, we will give a delay time which is equivalent to 1000, that is 1 millisecond, which we have initialized in the start. Now after giving this delay, we will close the main function and then we'll again give a delay of 1 millisecond before the string is displayed again the second time, and then we will close the function. When we will upload this code on the Arduino board, let us see what happens in the hardware.